Hello, a few days before New Year, and what do we have here? I went to Germany a few months back and brought home this and so many other flavors of Ritter Sport. Ritter Sport is a popular German chocolate bar, and Ritter means knight, as in knight in shining armor, and sport. So I don't know why there's a knight or a sporty knight. But Holger explained to me that there are these words. So they're pronounced quadratisch, meaning this is square. So very German, because they're very, organized and efficient. So they pride themselves for creating a square chocolate bar, quadratisch. And then praktisch, meaning practical, so that's how practical Germans are. And gut, meaning good, yummy, delicious. So he said that's very typical of Germans, how they package their product and how they promote it. And Holger and Bea will demonstrate to you how to properly open a Ritter Sport chocolate bar. Take it away, guys. And we're demonstrating the proper way of opening Ritter Sport. And Holger, he's German, so he knows what he's doing. We Filipinos, we don't know, we just open it. Just that, but there's a proper way of opening it. So can you explain why is it called quadratisch? Praktisch? And what's...
So here we have quadratisch, square, praktisch. This is where this handy packages come in. Praktisch.
Practical.
And then we have, good. Let's see. Good. Yeah. Good. Danke.
So,
Bye.
wait. So, can you do it with this? Ritter means knight in German, and Sport was sport with a sound. Knight
I thought we were doing a longo and
well, for this video, it's just how to open the Ritter.
Forcing us to do this now again. And Bea and
I
we
will
are really
edit it out. Don't worry. So now Bea.
Why are you in the picture? Bea is standing the test of time. Bea,
So
hurry
Bea,
up.
open
Finish.
it. Ah!
Oh, you can do it easily. Yes,
And take
easily.
it out.
And then, no, it's alright. There you go.
Let Bea do it.
Oh.
Ah! Easy.
You can see we have an adult here. And then we could eat it easily. Okay.
Quadratisch, square, praktisch, practical, good, yummy,
Good.
good.
Guck mal hier. Guck mal. Komm jetzt, geh mal.
Komm.
Tschüss.
Cheers. Bye for now. See you in our next video. Good. Lecker. Tschüss.